Alrighty. Hello, everyone, and welcome to my reaction to My Hero Academia, episode number 5 and 6. I am so hyped for this particular episode. I'm so hyped that Midoriya got into UA High, and we are going to see all his other classmates who potentially got in alongside him. I can't wait to see Bakugo's reaction. Oh, let's go. I am hyped. There's not a lot of intro because I have been waiting for a while to watch this without getting spoiled by my brother who keeps wanting to spoil literally the whole show for me. I'm like, stop. I need to react to this. So let's get started. Episode 5 and 6. Let's go. Absolutely hilarious to greet someone with a mouthful of blood. Crazy stuff. I love it. Let's go.
一応言っとくが、学校側に君との接点は話してなかったぞ。君、そういうのズルだとかで気にするタイプだろ？
I swear to God, I don't think Midoriya even thought of that until All Might pointed out that, hey, you might think that this was cheating, right? I love it.
だって、オールマイトの事務所は東京都港区六本木の。
やめなさい！
そっか。本当は生徒の中から選ぶ予定だったんだ。個性あふれる実力者たちから。
I like the layers being revealed here because that makes so much more sense that All Might was actually planning on giving his quirk to one of the students from UA High. But then he found Midoriya and he was like, hey, I see the potential. I can work with him. So I like that a lot. Ooh, I love that. Let's go. Now I'm wondering if Midoriya feels guilty because he's like, maybe All Might could have passed that quirk on to someone else who had like a stronger power, so the power would compound. I mean, I still don't know if the power compounds or not, but if it does, I'm sure Midoriya will be like, oh my god, why me? I'm so lucky. Like, boy, some self-confidence is all I ask of you.
ああなることが分かってたんですか？
まあ、時間なかったし。でも、結果オーライ。結果オールマイトさ。
I was yelling time management, but just at that point, All Might made that joke of, alright, you might even say it was All Might. Forgiven. I'm fine with it. Okay, I'm fine with it. All Midoriya had to do was face the pain of his entire bones being broken, but that pun fixed it.
こんな風にね。
待って、あれ、オールマイト
I was literally like, oh, maybe the couple have left for him to transform this quickly. But then the couple were right there. Boy, what was the point of say you have the wrong person if you just go ahead and be like, let me just flex my muscles a bit and, transform without gushing out blood. How did he keep his identity secret is my question.
行くぞ、緑谷少年！
はい
Jashi, run, na 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 na, run. I am sorry. No, I'm not. That was fun. Run away from your problems. Always the best solution. You can go and think about how to deal with it at a later point in time. Run first. That is such bad advice. But hey, if it works is all I'm gonna say.
これから多くの雨風にさらされ大きくなっていく。そして、こっちはゆっくり衰え消え入り、役目を終えるのさ。
Huh? That is literally the opposite thing that you were supposed to say. You were supposed to be like, I'll watch you from far, even as I grow weak. But he's like, I'll grow weaker and eventually disappear. Blah, blah, blah. And my work here will be done. Shut up. Watch him from afar or near him. Don't disappear. Have I told you guys how much I hate the mentors disappearing after teaching their students everything that they had to teach them? Oh, I hate that trope so much. It pisses me off. Shut up with that nonsense. Oh my god.
超かっこいいよ。それは、高校生活の始まり。ドアってか、バリアフリーか。
I love them having a big door for accessibility. That is so cool. I love it. I mean, at this point in time where 80% of the population are superheroes, it is more of a necessity as opposed to a luxury, but I love it nonetheless. Small things goes to show how deep the world building was actually thought of, It's not just saying for the sake of saying that, hey, 80% of the population are superheroes or have superpowers. It's these tiny things that make you understand that, this was a well thought out world building. I love that.
遊泳の先輩方や、机の制作者方に申し訳ないと思わないか？
思わねえよ。てめえどこ中だよ。早くが。
俺は私立聡明中学出身、飯田天也だ。
そうめクソエリートじゃねえか。ぶっ殺しがいがありそうだな。
Bakugo is like, give me anything you have. I am going to compare you to a normie or a rando. But then the second you're like, hey, by the way, I was actually from this elite school. And he's like, oh, you're an elite. I'll have fun crushing you. This man is so... I don't even know what the word is for Bakugo. That is such smart ass behavior. I will crush you either way. It's not me that you have to worry about. It's your own standards and where you place yourself in the society. Can't wait to see his face to Midoriya entering the classroom. Oh, what if nerd... I am so sorry. Tenya Ilda, I am guessing his name is, sees Midoriya and goes, oh, hey, you got in. I'm so happy to see you here. And that was some crazy power you had. I'm so sorry, by the way, for judging you harshly before the exam. I would love to see Bakugo's face then.
緑谷君、君はあの実技試験の構造に気づいていたのだな。俺は気づけなかった。君を見誤っていたよ。
ごめん。気づいてなかったよ。
どんな汚え手使いやてめえが受かるんだ。他行けっつったろうが。
かっちゃん。
反抗なんかしやがって。
Ah, that's crazy. I would have loved to see his face as he's entering into the classroom, but he was already aware. But also, oh my god, such bitch behavior. Like, how dare you defy me? He doesn't have to answer to you. What? Okay. He still thinks that Midoriya got in via dirty tricks or something like that, right? Like, even though he was like, Kacha, I got in with my own efforts. Someone told me I could be a hero, so I'm a hero now. Watch what you say, huh? But then, I don't think he has actually seen Midoriya fight. And he's hearing from his new classmates that, oh yeah, you were awesome, your punch was awesome, break, whatever. But I don't think he has actively seen Midoriya fight, and the second he does, oh, give me that satisfaction. If nothing else, give me that satisfaction of watching his face crumble. I don't even know why, but...
お友達ごっこしたいならよそへ行け。なんかいる！はい、静かになるまで8秒かかりました。
I've heard of hero entrance. I've never heard of teacher entrance, and that is one way to go about it. The kids did get quiet though, so hey, good on him. You know what kind of energy this guy has? I want to be reborn as a rock in my next life. That's the kind of energy he has. Are all teachers weirdos in the school?
先生ってことは、あの人もプロヒーロー？
個性使用禁止の体力テスト。
Watch Midoriya absolutely crush it. With all the physical training he has been getting for the past 10 months, this is a piece of cake. Can't wait. I'm gonna quietly watch it. I am not. But also I'm gonna watch it. That is one thing I can promise on.
死ね？
それ合理的手段。面白そうか。ヒーローになるための3年間、そんな腹積もりで過ごす気でいるのかい？
Why not? I mean, seriousness only gets you so far. You came in a body bag to teach your very first class. I am sure you had some element of fun in your head. I would much rather go through life thinking that, hey, this is fun, this is exciting, and I can't wait to try this out, or I can't wait to, use this as a challenge opportunity, as opposed to being like, oh, this sucks. This is going to take all of my energy, all of my might. I'm gonna do everything possible to win. Like, we have Ida for that. I would much rather go forward with fun.
よし。8種目トータル成績最下位のものは見込みなしと判断し、除籍処分としよう。いつどこから来るかわからない厄災。日本は理不尽にまみれている。
飯田天也、個性、エンジン。見たまんまだ。足が速い。
Do his legs ever end up overheating? Like, when you overuse an engine, it just starts heating up and steaming. Does that ever happen to him? Because if yes, that would be so fun to explore and to see. Ooh.
でも中学の時より早かった。
青山優雅、個性ネビルレーザー。へそからレーザーが出る。 やっぱ両手だと威力分散しちまうね。感覚を覚えたはずだ。どうだった？
おピリッというか、ブワッとっていうか、縦こうブロックドカーンってで、向こうグワってなって、俺バキャンってされるのに。
タコってエロいよね。
I get that he doesn't want to explode, but the whole test is based on them using their quirks and doing these tests. And he's not doing that. He's just going through it. Oh my god. Boy, come on. You got this. You have to try, or you really won't learn when to stop and when to pause. Like, at least with Bakugo, he was like, oh, if I use both hands, the force disperses and all of that jazz. You're not using your quirk. I mean, I do get the fact that the trauma of having his body broken completely is significant in its own sense. But All Might did give you the pun, so you should have fixed it.
絶対なるんだ。今、確かに使おうって。
個性を消した。
Huh? What do you mean you erased his quirk? What? Huh? That is some crazy power. Why is he not more famous than All Might? He can literally just go up to people and erase their quirk and die. And gone. That's it. I shifted gears into Hindi just based on how amazing his power is. He should be one of the top heroes out there. Like, he can just go up to the villain and go, erase. That's it. Then he's just a human being. You can take him away. Oh my god, that's crazy. Oh, that's crazy. I love it. Now I want backstory. Also, why him specifically? He was just like, this boy, this is the kid that I want to torture for the rest of this entire year. I was genuinely like, oh, Midoriya fumbled again. There we go. Here we are. I thought that even though he activated his quirk, it was at 0% and not 100%. But it's just him being bullied in a whole another scenario. No, I know he's not being bullied. I'm sure the teacher is trying to learn something or understand something. I know essentially he was setting it up from the very get-go based on how he was observing Midoriya. But also at the same time, why him? Why the one kid who has zero self-confidence?
聞いたことあるわ。アングラ系ヒーローよ。
仕事に差し支えるとメディアへの露出を嫌っているからな。
I was like, why are you bringing that beef that you have with his mentor into teaching the student? But then I remembered that All Might has mentioned that no one knows that All Might was mentoring Midoriya. So, such a bitch move nonetheless though. I'm sure he's really nice and I'll get to liking him, but also at the same time, with my first impression, he's just a weirdo.
また行動不能になって誰かに助けてもらうつもりだったが、昔暑苦しいヒーローが大災害から一人で1000人以上を救い出すという伝説を作った緑谷伊豆くん。お前の力じゃヒーローになれないよ。どっちに転んでも見込みはない。
僕は人より何倍も頑張らないとダメなんだ。だから全力で今僕にできることを。
That's so clever. I loved it. Let's go. Also, I loved Bakugo's face. That is exactly what I wanted. Oh, fun times.
まだ動けます。
こいつかっこいいじゃないか。
I absolutely loved it because honestly, Midoriya went in there and he was like, you know what? What he's saying, it does make absolute sense. My dog just agreed. And so he was like, how can I translate this into advice, into doing something about it right now? Oh, that's so cool. Also, having your mentor say, oh my gosh, you're so cool is so cool. Oh, I love it. That was so clever because he just told Aizawa Senpai that, hey, by the way, I love it. Thanks for the advice. I'm gonna act on it right now. And I'm also gonna be smart about it. Along with the fact that he's not yes, he is reckless, but also he is using his head. This kid has been researching heroes since pretty much the day the doctor was like, hey, you can't be a hero. This kid has actively been working up to researching and wondering about what are the pros and cons of every hero and how they can act with their power. So I love him using his smarts. Let's go.
なんだあのパワー。個性の発言は漏れなく4歳までだ。ありえねえ。どういうことだ。
You guys, the satisfaction that I am feeling right now. Oh, mama, I love it. I love it. Yes, let's go.
俺はドライアイなんだ。
個性すごいのにもったいない。
相沢翔太。
That's hilarious. I thought he was just using the eye drops because of the power and how it sometimes dries out his eye. But it is a chronic condition. I feel sad for him, but also at the same time, what? Did he develop the condition because of consistently using his power? I love it when your power leads to issues developing or there always being some kind of a drawback when you use your power. That's always fun for me. Like Rumpelstiltskin said.
All magic comes at a price.
いいなあ、かっちゃん。個性かっこいいもんな。僕も早く出ないかな。
デクがどんな個性でも俺には一生叶わねえつーの。
They were so cute though. What happened? Like outside of him being all like, you can never beat me, blah blah blah, whatever, that's every kid. What led to their friendship degrading this bad? Oh, I wanna know.
ちなみに除籍は嘘な。君らの個性を最大限引き出す合理的競技。
Bakugo was literally like, ah damn it. Now I have to deal with this kid throughout 3 years at school. Oh, sucks.
相沢くんの嘘つき合理的虚偽ってエイプリルフールは1週間前に終わってるぜ。君は去年の1年生、1クラス全員除籍処分にしている。それってさ、君もあの子に可能性を感じたからだろ。
可能性がゼロではなかった。それだけです。見込みがないものはいつでも切り捨てます。半端に夢を追わせることほど残酷なものはない。
There's nothing crueler than ending a dream midway, he says. Also expels kids in the first year by judging them instantly and being like, hey, you have zero potential, I'ma kick you out. Huh? They are kids, you have to train them, you have to nurture them. The second you nurture them, they become better. Also not All Might bragging, like he also saw the kid's potential, didn't you? I love him. Such a cutie patootie.
本名はイズクで、デクはかっちゃんがバカにして。
別称か。
ああ、そうなんだ。ごめん。でも、デクって、頑張れって感じで、なんか好きだ、私。
デクです
緑役
I love him so much. What a little weirdo. I vibe with this kid so much. Watch Bakugo getting pissed off when Uraraka is like, hey Deku, how are you doing? And he's like, only I can call him Deku. No one else can call him Deku.
私が普通にドアから来た！突拍子もない変更は受理されないが、元がなしなら多分大丈夫さ。多分っていうか、
思いつきっちゃった。後で謝らなきゃ。
Imagine hanging up on your dream idol superhero and then not calling back immediately and apologizing though. That's how comfortable he has gotten with All Might.
ねイズク。これからは手放し全力で応援するからね。
Oh my gosh, I love his mom. Oh, it's okay, mom. We all say dumb things sometimes, and you were being honest with him. It's not like it was something different than what All Might and Bakugo and literally everyone else told him. So it's okay. But oh, I love that she was like, oh, he's always sketching and this is his costume. Let me go and get that ready for him. Oh, I love that. So cute. Let's go. To be honest, I did not know that the sketch that they always show at the end of every episode is the sketch that he wanted his superhero costume to be. And I was really happy that his mom saw that, nonetheless figured it out and got him a bodysuit like that. But also, oh my gosh, I did not connect the fact that it was quite literally inspired from All Might. That looked so dumb. Also, All Might just laughing like, oh my god. I like it! Oh, I like these weirdos.
勝敗のシステムはどうなります？
ぶっ飛ばしてもいいんすか？
また、相沢先生みたいな除籍とかあるんですか？
別れるとはどのような別れ方をすればよろしいですか？
このマントやばくない？
聖徳太子
They're literally all so crazy. If someone just bombarded me with questions like these, I would just be like, can we like take a deep breath? I get the enthusiasm, but one at a time. How are you going to gather information if you're constantly just asking questions? The irony of it all that I am literally doing that all the time while watching these shows.
適当なのですか？
プロは他事務所のヒーローと急増チームアップすることが多いし、そういうことじゃないかな。
そうか。先を見据えた計らい。
To animate that specific moment, oh, it was so crazy. Like, Kachan was like, oh, I'm gonna beat you up. Deko was like, oh no. And then he was like, no, you know what? I am awesome. I'm gonna fight back. He looks back at Kachan. Kachan is like, oh, he's looking at me with so much confidence. Oh, I hate him. Oh. I loved that moment. I loved that moment.
ヴィランの思考をよく学ぶように。これはほぼ実践。
I don't think it will be too hard for Bakugo. I am sorry, okay? This kid is an active bully. But I get it. Life. I'm not judging him too harshly yet. I mean, I was judging him really harshly when he told Deku to jump off the roof and die. But also at the same time, I know that there is going to be growth opportunities. Let's go.
怪我を恐れず思いっきりな。
はい。
度が過ぎたら中断するけど。
はい。
And that is exactly how Deku is going to end up dead. I'll pray for your soul. I mean, I am sure that he's going to release all his frustrations right now of how he feels about Midoriya. I saw that the next episode is titled Kachan versus Deku. And so I'm sure that he's going to just frustration, punch it out or speak it out. And I can't wait to see it.
この俺を騙してたのか。くそなーどが。
Does he think that Deku hid the quirk from him and just kept getting beaten up by him throughout his youth for fun and games? Because he's a masochist? I feel like if I get to know Bakugo's backstory, the thought that Deku potentially betrayed him would hit me harder. And I think that is what is going to happen at a later point in time or whenever we get the backstory. But oh, that's hilarious and crazy. I like it.
なって。
男の因縁ってやつだね。
それでは A コンビ対 D コンビによる国内対人戦闘訓練スタート
I love that Uraraka and Deku had that conversation. Really fun, but you had 5 minutes to plan and you did not do anything. Why weren't you planning on who's going to search for the nuclear weapon and procure it, whereas who's going to fight? I mean, it might make sense. Uraraka can just like tap it and then run away with the weapon, whereas Deku can fight both Ida as well as Kachan, but also at the same time, should have planned just a tad bit more. There was zero planning. I hope that in the next few teams that we see, there is a lot more planning happening. It would be really fun.
さあ君たちも考えてみるんだぞ。
屋内。狭い中での戦いの記録。思い出せ。かすっただけ。
This but a scratch. I love that. But also, I love Midoriya being smart, but I want to see fight. Fight. All Might did say that he will jump in if it gets too serious or too far. So like, fight off, kid. It's okay. There is also the recovery girl lady who's going to kiss you and make you feel all better. So like, go for it. Go all out. Which is probably going to happen next episode. So maybe I should just watch the next few episodes as well. Because I have zero self-control. I am like a moth. Consistently flying into the flame.
いきなり奇襲爆豪つっか奇襲なんて男らしくね
奇襲も戦略彼らは今実戦の最中だぜ
中断されねえ程度にぶっ飛ばした
すごい達人みたい
なんだこいつ動きが読まれた
You have been actively fighting him since he was a kid. I am pretty sure he figured out your moves. There's not too much to it. Oh my god.
かっちゃんは大抵最初に右の大振りなんだ。どれだけ見てきたと思ってる。すごいと思ったヒーローの分析は全部ノートにまとめてあるんだ。いつまでも雑魚で出来損ないのデクじゃないぞ。かっちゃん、僕は頑張れって感じのデクだ。
Hold on, he used to call him Deku because he meant it as useless? Oh, this bitch. All fun and games until Kachan figures out that he has been replaced by Uraraka, who told him that Deku sounds like you can do it. They're gonna have a fight about it. I love it. I mean, I'm sure it's not going to be like that. Let me have my Delulu fantasies. What is it to you guys? Fight for Islam.
ビビりながらよ。そういうとこがムカつくな。
Now I genuinely have a really bad feeling about Bakugo's backstory. When he just went, you do this stuff even though you're scared. That's what I hate about you. Oh, please don't give me abusive asshole parents for Bakugo because that is just chaotic. I just want him to feel sad a couple of times, not all the time. No, I am lying. I have read angsty ass fan fictions where I take the hurt character and hurt him some more. But also he's a kid. No, I don't like it. He's a kid. Stop it. I can't wait to watch their fight. It was so fun. Oh, both these episodes 5 and 6 were so amazing. I kind of thought that there would be a bit of a dull moment. Episodes come in waves and there are high points and there are low points. But then, ooh, the hype keeps growing and I love it. I loved both these episodes. At first, I wanted to punch Aizawa Senpai. Kind of got where he's coming from though. I mean, I feel like there is a lot more backstory that needs to be flushed out for us to understand why he keeps crushing everyone's dreams midway through, whoever he thinks has zero potential. So I'm excited to see and learn a bit more about that. I loved All Might's teaching techniques. I loved Deku's costume, though I genuinely do hope that because Kachan destroyed the face mask, he kind of loses the face mask and just wears the jumpsuit without the mask, because yes, you are in his image, quite literally, because you are taking All Might's quirk, but at the same time, this is the moment where you grow into something of your own and become a whole new person completely based on your talents and quirks. So I would love to see him lose the face mask. Outside of that, pretty fun episodes. I genuinely vibe with it and I'm so hyped right now to see the fight, and I will see you there. Thank you so much. Let me know which parts of this particular video you enjoyed. Like, share, comment, subscribe, share your thoughts. Let's chat, let's grow this community, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.